Hey everybody, it's Jen Beck with Complete Health Revolution, and I just wanted to talk with you for a few minutes today about the coronavirus. There is a ton of information talking about, stay out of large crowds, use hand sanitizer, bleach and hydrogen peroxide your home, wear a mask, things like that you can do that are preventative, but we're not looking at the things that we can do to really boost our immune system. And I think that as much as it's important to wash our hands and to be proactive and things like that, it's also really important to look inside our bodies and how we can support our bodies and boost our immune system naturally. So eat an anti-inflammatory diet, eat more citrus foods, eat things like dark leafy greens, kale and broccoli, garlic, mushrooms. All of these things are really beneficial for boosting our immune system. Things like kefir or kombucha, where there's more probiotics. And doing some supplements like some liposomal vitamin C, vitamin D, things that are probiotics that are really going to boost our immune system are important as well. And then the things that we should be looking at as a foundation on a daily basis that maybe most people aren't even thinking about. It's things like decreasing our sugar intake, right? Excess sugar suppresses our immune system. So the more that we can take care of ourselves and the more that we really look at the foundation of true health, the more we're going to protect ourselves against getting sick from the coronavirus or anything else. So look at how much sleep you're getting. What's the quality of sleep that you're getting? Shoot for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per day. You may need less, may need more, but 7 to 9 hours is really kind of the key of where we're looking at for being able to maintain a healthy immune system. And the earlier you get to bed, the more human growth hormone your body makes. That 10 to 12 p.m. is your sweet spot for your body to restore most effectively. 1 minute of sleep before midnight is worth 3 minutes after midnight. Okay? Exercise, right? Sweating, getting the toxins out of our body is really important as well. Movement, getting our lymphatic system going. Hydration, right? Drink half your body weight in ounces of water on a daily basis. Really look at giving your body what it needs to thrive and to function at its highest level. These things are so fundamental and so important that we really look at what can I do to help my body function at its highest level in a time where we are bombarded with the flu and the coronavirus and other colds and things like that. So again, sugar suppresses our immune system. 2 cans of Coke a day will annihilate your system, and it starts within 30 minutes of consuming sugar. So look at, if you're not a soda drinker, like I don't drink soda, and I don't do a lot of sugar, but even those little amounts that we can do. There's research I read years ago that says 1 gram of sugar can suppress your immune system for up to 40 minutes. So look at how little sugar you can get in your diet on a daily basis. Look at all of the things that you can do collaboratively and comprehensively to boost your body's function so that you don't get sick, or if you do get sick, you bounce back a lot faster. So make sure you're getting sleep, make sure you're hydrating, make sure you're eating a well-balanced diet with lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. Make sure you're getting your sleep, and really take care of yourself during this time so that you are proactive, not just reactive, where you're not just fending off other people and the germs that are out there, but you're really helping your body boost and boost its function as much as you can on a daily basis. So I hope this is helpful. Have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye.